the economic cycles that we have experienced again and again over the period has given you experience when to start sucking out the money, at what speed to suck out the money or pump the money to keep the speed of money constant or keep it so that your economy moves faster. That history will be lost.
तो आपका सवाल क्या है कि एग्जिस्टिंग टैक्स सिस्टम को इम्प्रूव क्यों नहीं कर रहे? तो एक मिनट, आपका सवाल सिंपल है, फिगर छोड़ो, क्योंकि वो फिगर में लोग बोर होते हैं। फिगर में बहुत फिगर में फेंक सकता हूँ, आप फेंक सकते हैं, मतलब नहीं। आपका बेसिक सवाल ये है कि आप ये एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम काम नहीं कर रही, उसको ठीक क्यों नहीं कर सकते? हम यही कह रहे हैं। इतनी जगह खून निकाल रहे हैं एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम में, क्यों नहीं एक लाइन हो खून निकालने की? एक ही आई है, एक ही है बैंक ट्रांजेक्शन का, और कुछ है नहीं।
बैंक ट्रांजेक्शन आप कर रहे हो, लेकिन उसकी इम्प्लीकेशंस बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज से पड़ती हैं।
तो वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, आप
बोल रहे हो, देखो आप ये सब आप अकाउंटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस पूरा चेंज हो जाएगा। नहीं सर,
उसका कुछ ताल्लुक नहीं। आप एक काम करिए, आपके सवाल बहुत जेन्युइन है। आप एक काम करिए, इस प्रेजेंटेशन को आप डाउनलोड करके पढ़िए, आपके 2 घंटे में और मान लो और कुछ, जिसमें आपके और मेरे 10 घंटे बच सकते हैं। प्लीज
What is the cost for maintaining this taxation process? The tax collection mechanism here, we have the income tax department, the whole staff, lots of activities take place, surveys, surveillances, investigations, so on and so forth. So total जो है, including the regulatory mechanism, compared to this, absolutely hassle-free one-point system. So I'm saying income tax भी है, sales tax भी है, custom भी है, etc., etc. वो पूरा मिला के what is the cost to the country?
मतलब 11.6 लाख 5 करोड़ के अगेंस्ट कितना कॉस्ट है अमाउंट टू कलेक्ट? अमाउंट एग्जैक्टली मेरे को इस साल का मालूम, लेकिन वो 45% था पहले, 3 साल पहले 2010 में 45% कॉस्ट थी उसकी। हाँ, उसका रीजन ये है सर कि इनकम टैक्स के आप कभी भी सेल्स टैक्स के लोगों के पास बात करो, अगर आप जानते हो तो बोलेंगे कि दिसंबर में स्कीम आ जाती है इंसेंटिव। वो जैसे बोलते 4 करोड़ सेल्स टैक्स कलेक्ट करो तो उनको इतना मिल जाएगा, उसमें इतना मतलब ऑफिशियली गवर्नमेंट विल गिव द इंसेंटिव टू दोस इंस्पेक्टर्स। तो ये बहुत बड़ा मैकेनिज्म है, जिसमें अभी रिलायंस के साथ हमने प्रेजेंटेशन किया सर, सतीश सेठी जो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है अनिल अंबानी के ग्रुप के, उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे पास 6,500 लोग खाली कंप्लायंस करने के लिए बैठे रिलायंस के टैक्स कंप्लायंस। तो एक कंपनी का ये कंप्लायंस का कॉस्ट अगर हो सकता है तो पूरे देश का क्या होगा देखिए आप। नहीं, अभी ऐसा डायरेक्ट उसको माइनस नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि वो उसका एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपेंसेस भी आता है।
45% is not of the entire 11 lakh crore. Around 8 or 9 years back, I remember a statistic that only for personal income tax, the machinery which the government has created only for personal income tax, the amount of money which was being collected from personal income tax was lower than the cost of the machine. Only for personal income tax.
It is like eating a crab. You spend more calories in cutting that what you get.
The biggest impact of this, which is why that point is not valid, the current infrastructure that we have for tax collection on the government side will collapse. The current infrastructure that we have on the corporate side will collapse, and the productivity loss that all of us go through for our personal income tax, even if it is 50 hours per year, imagine per taxpayer 50 hours per person, if that collapses, how much will that impact the productivity of the economy as a whole? If I don't have to do that. Sir, इसका तो फिर मेरे पास कोई जवाब नहीं है।
ऐसा ये तो आप वृत्ति की बात कर रहे हो।
मैं अभी भी नौकरी करता हूँ, बट विदिन दैट नौकरी करना है।
आपका अगर बेस ये है कि कोई प्रामाणिक नहीं है तो ये गलत है। बोलिए।
I know answer for that.
I don't understand. I think this is a very good thing it happened. There was one question which I had, which I felt that the guy who's driving my car spends 5,000 rupees, gets 5,000 rupees, going to get 2%, go to work, or if any political party will touch it. And if they don't touch it, so forget about it. But we took care of that. My question is simple. How does this help stop things like fraud? How does it help in stopping things like gold transactions happen in gold or in 2G? I don't see this stopping at all.
सर मैं वही बोल रहा था कि हम
our major black money things, how can you do this? and
वो
still have-
transaction क्यों होते हैं?
And you can have all this and still you have Mauritius as a country.
नहीं क्यों सर, मैं ये देश को सेज करने की बात कर रहा हूँ। मॉरिशस की जरूरत क्या है बाद में? मैं इंडिया को टैक्स ऐसी देश दुनिया का करने की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग।
नहीं सर, मुझे बताइए कि हवाला कैसे बनता है?
तो हवाला क्यों होता है, इसका जवाब दो पहले।
हवाला होता है कि
बोलिए।
ब्लैक मनी आउट ऑफ हियर।
क्यों नहीं, क्यों होता है बोलिए ना। क्योंकि ब्लैक मनी जमा हो रहा है, उसको क्या करने का मालूम नहीं। आप सोर्स पे जाइए ना सर, रिसोर्स पे बात करेंगे तो बहुत मुश्किल है जवाब देना, क्योंकि वो स्पेकुलेट भी जाएगा। आप अलग सोचेंगे, मैं अलग सोचूंगा। सोर्स क्या है हर चीज का? ब्लैक मनी को कैसे कंज्यूम करना वो इशू है, वो नहीं है क्या? वो इशू है ना। वो जब जनरेट नहीं होगा तो उसका रिसोर्स रहता नहीं।
That's right.
नहीं, इसका एक छोटा सा अलग सवाल है। नहीं,
Sir, politician
That's a very-
बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खोल सकते हैं।
2G
बैंक अकाउंट नहीं खोल सकते।
खोल सकते हैं।
गोल्ड ब्लॉक 2G का जो करप्शन है वो इसलिए नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि मनी ट्रांजैक्शन का प्रॉब्लम। वो इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि किसी के पास पावर है, उसने उस पावर को मिसयूज करके, डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर को यूज करके पैसा कमाया है।
Sir, nothing
वो पैसे को वो हवाला कर रहा है।
सर उसने देखो कैसा है विशेष साइकिल कैसा है। हर पॉलिटिशियन को, मैं पॉलिटिशियन को ब्लेम इसलिए नहीं करता सर, बिकॉज़ दे आर देमसेल्फ ट्रैप। उन्होंने दे आर देमसेल्फ ट्रैप। यू डोंट नो, अगर मेरे को इलेक्शन, एक पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन में 25 करोड़ खर्च करना है, मैं कहां से लाऊंगा उसको? सर बिना खेती का तो नहीं मिलता है। सर क्यों खर्च कर रहा है? तो ये कोयला के होगा ना सर, मैं तो ढूंढूंगा मेरे अथॉरिटी में क्या उधर कितना पैसा खा सकता हूं।
सर लेकिन आप क्यों 25 करोड़ खर्चा कर रहे हो? आपको तो वोट ही मांगना है ना।
नहीं, वही बात है ना। इसमें एक सिमुलेशन ये भी आप इसमें देखेंगे कि पॉलिटिशियंस विल गेट अ व्हाइट मनी। सिमुलेशन है ये, कंसेप्ट नहीं, खाली सिमुलेट करके दिया है। आप इसमें देखिए कि पॉलिटिशियंस विल गेट व्हाइट मनी बेस्ड ऑन द वोट देंगे फॉर द इलेक्शन। सर जिस दिन इलेक्शन फंडिंग व्हाइट हो जाएगा, ये न्यूज चली जाए। अब सोर्स की बात करो, रिसोर्स की बात मत करो। सोर्स पे काम करना पड़ेगा सर देश में। रीजन पे काम करने का, इफेक्ट पे काम करके मर जाएंगे। फिर पीटीटी आएगा, सीटीटी आएगा रोज, तो फिर इफेक्ट पे काम करेंगे। We'll stop, but I think with the time we'll stop. But only one request is, my request is, see, you're all, when I'm answering you, I don't discard your question. I have highest respect for you. My only thing is, go through this yourself. Please spend 2 hours with yourself with this presentation. Write down all the questions you have in mind, please, and let us have a session, please. Thank you.
I think, okay, he's ending the presentation. The idea was not to end the presentation,
It's okay, that's fine.
but the point was to stop the question answers between the presentation that was going on.
No, it's okay.
Secondly, I think what we are discussing right now, and as a first step, is the taxation mechanism. If you're going to run into the white collar scams, it's a very lengthy discussion. It requires many other various mechanisms. I don't think that your existing taxation mechanism is also trying to address the corruption. It's a completely different matter. I think we're trying to link something absolutely unlinked to the subject, to the current debate, right? Like he has said, because he has said, we can have another session. We would possibly hope that we have a larger crowd here, maybe 70, 100 odd people. It was the first attempt to see what exactly this whole thing means. I am also sure Anish did a fantastic job today. It was a first effort of its kind, to understand this system. I believe Ajay Dave here had certain interesting contributions to make when the questions were going on. So, from the quality of questions that we have received, some of them have been recorded, any which voice definitely has been recorded. So we'll try to capture those because many of these questions are very fundamental and quite basic. So we will try to have them incorporated. For example, that question which was there, which is, we know that this question is bound to come in like 100 times henceforth, which is on home loan or any other loan. So how the interest rate mechanism works? Kaushik bhai asked that question, what is the linkage between the bank interest and the tax, right? So how exactly does it work? What is the mechanism behind it? So for people who have such questions, either a small note could be prepared, which can be circulated on demand.
There is a FAQ already exists, which has some 100+ question already answered like this.
Excellent.
Go through the FAQ also.
Yes.
That's why I want you to go through all that and let us come with some other question. We'll answer.
Does this have a presentation of how indirect taxes are affecting the common man today?
Yes,
It has a
yes,
detailed
yes,
presentation
yes.
because that
It has
that is
graphics,
very
it
much.
has data, it has graphics both.
Yes.
Go through that. I have given it to him, the whole on the.
Like Deepak also during the presentation said, Anurag bhai had a question. Small farmer, he's not paying taxes. So he very beautifully explained that even he's paying taxes, which again, here, Parag bhai has answered this whole thing. The indirect taxes, what is the effect of it on a common man? All these aspects, I'm sure if we can work out a team like this, as far as this board committee bit is concerned, the whole idea is creating national debates. This was the first session we had, and it was best to have this much of crowd. I guess it was within this just about manageable. If we increase the crowd, with such tests, we might be in a better position to handle it. This is only just one subject. Idea is that as citizens, we should become more informed decision makers about our political choices as well as policy choices. Plus, create a sense of participative process in making of policies. Ajay bhai gave a good example that these are policies which take years, 7 years, 10 years, and their shelf life is expected to be around 50 years. That somewhere has to be at the back of our mind. This is the kind of input which is necessary for all of us to think more clearly. I would request the team, that is the Artha Kranti team, if some of our friends here who are taking this initiative of making presentations, if they can have more sessions with you.
We can have a trainer session.
Yes.
Attend the trainer and sharing everything. We can definitely do that. Actually, as part of this was, first of all, thankful to you for doing this. Very thankful. The reason because it has to somewhere erupt somewhere. It has started now. So you go through that, and anybody wants to work for it, like what he himself self-voluntarily did. Please let me know. We'll have a full 2 days workshop with us, all of you. That okay, this is the aspect, this question is answered like that. We will go through the whole research paper for you, line by line. We will give a copy, you can read and ask questions. Because the purpose is it has to spread. It has to horizontally grow. I should not be remembered. Anil Bukil should not be remembered. What we should be remembered is program. Even when we met Modi Sahab, he said the same thing. So why you should take it? He asked a simple question, very straight line. He said, why you are coming to me? You think I have less problems? Why should I take up this? Which will, मेरी जैसे जेटली साहब बोले जमाना जब तो है. मैंने कहा सर ये पॉलिटिकल करेज के बाद इंदिरा गांधी ने किसको पूछा नहीं था नेशनलाइजेशन करते टाइम कि इसको करे क्या नहीं करे, वो करेज क्यों नहीं, वो आपके पास है ऐसा नहीं लगता है. दूसरी बात, आपकी पर्सोना डिबेटेबल है, आपको अच्छा लगे ना लगे. लोग आपके जब नाम आता है लोग आपके ऊपर पर्सनल डिबेट शुरू कर देते हैं. अनलेस यू प्रोवाइड अ प्रोग्राम, दिस विल नॉट गो हियर. Because now in country the debate has to happen on program. Forget about personalities. They screwed us anyway in last years. So let us debate on the program. तो उन्होंने कहा ठीक है. तो ये बहुत अच्छी शुरुआत आपने की. I am very grateful to you that you keep that.
Apart from this, since one of the key questions with which we ended today was roundabout on corruption, possibly, especially for subscribers of this new system which is being proposed, corruption will attain a white collar, equation which has got very little to do with the hard currency based thing. So, we go to the government offices and the guy for simply signing, even if he does not have a discretionary power, but he does have the power to put a red tape on it. So we want to hasten out something and we go and pay a couple of lakhs of money to this person. And that goes in cash. But then the 2G kind of a scam does not happen in cash. Organizations are created, tax havens are made use of, so on and so forth. That will be a completely different debate. It's a very interesting point though. I guess as team, as interested group of people, whatever database we have created, we'll try to be in communication with everybody. And whenever the next round somebody has prepared a presentation on this particular aspect, it's a discussion. Like we proposed also, it's presented, the person who's presenting is only the one who's collected all the thoughts together and possibly would be in a position to answer a few questions, but it's a discussion at the end of the day. So what we were doing was a great job today. So next round we will have that also. Questions which have come in from this, if we, whatever has not been answered, maybe one session we can keep where we will not have these presentations, but we will have only question answer sessions. Yeah?
Sure.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.